countryside living. For mental health, it's stressing nature, peaceful communicate against the voice, or like positive environmental impact. Season 10. The countryside offers outstanding transformations throughout the year, such as natural beauty with its seasons and unique characteristic and vibrant landscape. Raining awareness, the country comes alive with colorful flowers and loose greenery as spring breeze meeting night landscape. Summer sunset. Enjoy warm evenings with golden sunset and vibrant feel perfect for outdoor gathering and relaxation. Winter cooling. Experience the countryside with color and leaf change, breathtaking, uh, tapestry of red, orange, and yellow. How I feel when I live in the countryside. The countryside is often trained to man, gentle, health, liberty, and peace, where countryside is symbolic as a place where natural life offering a transiting for relaxation. In many uh, cultures, the countryside is linked on simplicity and slower lifestyle, where people contemplate landscape with land and portrait, whether it's camp or small village, gathering of family or the outdoor activities available. Countryside holds a special place for many fluiding sanctuary for those seeking peace and physical development. And by this photo, this photo is to my friend. For this photo to my friend, please get today. Thank you, teacher, and everyone for your attention.